Step into the airport of the future, slip on a pair of AI-powered glasses, and suddenly, the world transforms. Flight details appear as if projected by magic. Directions float in mid-air, guiding you to the right gate. And a gentle reminder about your meeting fades into view moments before it starts, all without touching your phone. It feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but this is the reality being created today. Smart glasses are no longer just experimental tech. They are evolving into devices that can handle texting, translating, recording, and even thinking alongside you. And by the end of this video, you'll discover which of these revolutionary wearables could end up changing your life. Let's start with the Metarbon display glasses, controversial pioneer that has already been banned in several countries. Released in late 2025, these glasses bring a full-color, higher-resolution display into your line of sight. Notifications, messages, video calls, and navigation all appear right in front of you, then vanish the moment you're done. But the real magic lies in the Meta-Neural Bandan EMG wristband that reads electrical signals from your muscles. Simple pinch answers a call. A swipe scrolls through your messages. Everything connects seamlessly to Meta AI. Translate menus. Get historical facts about landmarks, or ask for instant guidance, all displayed in your vision. While it still requires a phone for setup, once connected, it replaces roughly 70% of daily phone interactions. At $799, this is a wearable that doesn't just complement your life, it reshapes it. Next, meet the Halliday AI glasses, the invisible powerhouse of CES 2025. Unlike bulky displays, Halliday uses microprojection technology that appears only when needed, offering flight updates as you approach the airport. Meeting reminders before they start, and navigation cues the moment you step onto a new street. Control is discreet. A smart ring lets you scroll and select with subtle twists and taps. But the crown jewel is real-time translation. Supporting over 89 languages, Halliday instantly displays subtitles as people speak, turning any conversation into something effortlessly understandable. No camera, no phone calls, just the essential tasks that dominate your daily life, all at $499. It's sleek, subtle, and smart, a wearable that quietly elevates your everyday. For travelers seeking comfort without compromise, Rokid Glasses are a revelation. Weighing less than a slice of bread, these 49-gram devices combine mobility with functionality. Their dual-eye display provides real-time two-way translation, a 12MP HDR camera captures moments hands-free, and AI assists with meeting transcription, note-taking, and even speaker identification. Monochrome displays extend battery life up to 6 hours, outlasting most human flights. Rokid doesn't try to replace your phone entirely, it focuses on doing a few things exceptionally well, making it ideal for international travelers and language-challenged adventurers. Then, there's the Snap Spectacles, the wearable poised to redefine augmented reality. Snap OS 2.0, built with Google Gemini and OpenAI integration, allows full see-through AR that locks digital objects in your environment. Imagine AR games that run across your couch, step-by-step cooking guides, or collaborative 3D projects that exist in shared space. Developers already have early units, and by 2026, hundreds of AR experiences could launch alongside them. Snap Ascend. Creating a phone accessory. They're rebuilding a wearable computer, capable of transforming the way we interact with the world. Finally, Apple's upcoming smart glasses promise the kind of seamless ecosystem integration only Apple can deliver. Transparent micro-LED displays, next-gen AI-powered Siri, and voice-controlled interfaces mean notifications, messages, and full workflows could occur entirely without a phone. Dictate a reply while walking, and it appears instantly on your Mac. Connect your AirPods for spatial audio perfectly aligned with your vision. Apple isn't just creating a gadget, they're creating a new primary interface, one that could make leaving your phone at home not only feasible but desirable. What ties all these glasses together is the same goal: removing friction from daily life. They replace repetitive phone interactions, break down language barriers, and integrate AI directly into your environment. Some focus on convenience, others on immersive productivity, and a few push the boundaries of augmented reality. The real question I ascend to whether smart glasses will replace your phone is, which brand you trust to lead that transformation. Meta and Halliday offer immediate practicality, Rokid redefines mobility, Snap reimagines AR, and Apple promises the polished ecosystem experience. Choosing the right pair depends on your lifestyle. Want a phone replacement today? Meta or Halliday are best? Need travel-friendly real-time translation? Halliday or Rokid Excel? Dreaming of immersive AR adventures? Snap takes the lead. Looking for ecosystem perfection? Apple could make your smartphone feel obsolete? And even as one brand dominates, the innovation race guarantees that what's cutting edge today could feel outdated tomorrow. Smart glasses are not just devices. They are a glimpse into a future where vision itself becomes your interface. AI becomes your companion, and phones become optional. So would you leave your phone behind for a pair of smart glasses? Or is this leap still too far? Comment below and share which device excites you the most. If you love exploring the future before everyone else, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week we bring you the gadgets, the breakthroughs, and the innovations quietly shaping the way we live. From airports to offices, streets to homes, the future isn't coming. It's already unfolding right in front of your eyes. Imagine walking through the airport again, but this time your glasses are your assistant, your translator, your AI companion, and your entertainment center all at once. This is not tomorrow. This is now, and we're just scratching the surface.